From this, basically, you probably get another 400 and something like that, right? On the inside is actually black leather with red stitching, so it's fully leather in terms of the cockpit. As you can see, with lumbar support, the legs can be extended and stuff.
How much is it?
This one is going for 33 million. It's listed at 38. So it's currently on. Right? So it's in full electrical mode. Alright? It has the wireless charging system right here.
Full sunroof, but
There's something on the back of the phone like that holds it.
maybe she have on a phone case. Like this. 33 million, never buy this, I like it.
First charger. Yeah.
Gaza Nation, see no beast here, you know. See that? I'm out.
Fully charged. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the world.
Yo, all in a prison, me I make millions, me a top about US dollar. How about a big song, watch it fever? It's any gold and it's any silver. To the prison grill, to the prison window. With me finger, then me hard with the timber. Forget a D in your city, that's a couple milli. US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Don't never want to just free. But from a touch the microphone, you get if you can see me. Who no career cut short like Nicki Minnie. You're even gritty like my daughter, come here pretty pretty. How the original, the rest of them are in me. Prison did that, but out I run it eat worse. Me have me one opinion, I no need yours. The internet a cost me about, ooh, me fi feature. Some of them are sassy, them and some are set a niche.
No. But membership we never have none.
Yeah,
this
no.
just come and boom income.
Yeah.
And after that this come, you know.
Yeah.
This just come.
How much it is?
42,100.
42K?
Yeah, 42,100.
Need it.
Take off a size.
Yeah, me and TJ, matching watches. Don't watch us. We're at Bijou. Where are you? I'm out. One morning, you know.
One cartel, you know.
Duh?
One boss.
One boss.
Not
Yeah,
about
that.
full.
Bumbuckler, none apple.
None pull.
About.
About.